preside over this ceremony. This is a great honor not just for Gretsa University, but to the education sector as a whole. For Gretsa University, it marks a major milestone, as it means that the university has now satisfied all the requirements for grant of charter. It is a confirmation that the institution has demonstrated compliance with the rigorous standards set by the Commission for University Education, and its charter recognizes years of steady growth in teaching, research, and community service. Beyond the university, this also marks growth for the higher education sector in Kenya. The grant of charter to this institution marks yet another step in the expansion of access to higher education in Kenya. Our students and researchers now have increased choices in terms of institutions and programs of study. With a new status as a chartered university, Gretsa University will expand its academic menu, enhance its research capabilities, and continue to produce future-ready graduates in line with the aspirations of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda and Vision 2030. Your Excellency, the award of charter to Gretsa University also signifies the important role of the private sector in playing in our higher education sector in Kenya. Private universities have created more education and training opportunities for students, absorbed government-sponsored students, and introduced market-responsive programs. We will continue to work in partnership in order to build an effective and competitive higher education system in our country. One of the key ways by which Your Excellency's administration is doing this is by providing loans to private university students through the Higher Education Loans Board. Through the relevant agencies like the Commission for University Education, we work with both public and private universities to enhance quality and promote high standards in the subsector. Presently, we are also supporting our universities in developing programs that are aligned with the competency-based education and training as we prepare to admit the first cohort of CBET students in 2029. We have developed a draft national implementation roadmap to guide universities in this transition. We've already achieved key milestones, such as the alignment of teacher education programs with the competency-based education framework, and continue to build the capacity of universities' staff on CBE. Your Excellency, with these few remarks, it is now my distinct honor to welcome you to deliver your speech. I thank you and welcome.
Asante sana Waziri. Please let's take our seats again. I understand and I know that this is a very proud moment